In this video, we have given that x plus y is equal to 2 and x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 82, and we have to find the value of x and y. So we have given that x plus y is equal to 2, and if we raise both sides to the power 5, then by binomial expansion x plus y power 5 will be equal to 5c0 x power 5 plus 5c1 x power 4 y plus 5c2 x cube y square plus 5c3 x power 2 y cube plus 5c4 x y power 4 plus 5c5 y power 5, that is equal to 2 power 5 is 32, and 5c0 is 1, and x power 5 plus 5c1 is 5, x power 4 y plus 5c2 is 10, x cube y square plus 5c3 is 10, x square y cube plus 5c4 is 5, x y power 4 plus 5c5 is 1, and y power 5 is equal to 32, and it is x power 5 plus y power 5 plus 5x power 4y plus 5xy power 4 plus 10x cube y square plus 10x square y cube is equal to 32, and it is x power 5 plus y power 5 plus, and here we can take 5xy common, and we will get x cube plus y cube plus, and here we can take 10x square y square common, and we will get x plus y, that is equal to 32, and we have x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 82, and we have x plus y is equal to 2, and x cube plus y cube, here we have x plus y is equal to 2, and if we cube it both sides, then x plus y whole cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy times x plus y, that is equal to 2 cube is 8, and it is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy times x plus y is 2, that is equal to 8, and we can get x cube plus y cube is equal to 8 minus 3 times 2 is 6xy. So this is 82 plus 5xy times x cube plus y cube is 8 minus 6xy plus 10x square y square times x plus y is 2, that is equal to 32, and 82 minus 32 is 50 plus 5xy times 8 minus 6xy plus 10 times 2 is 20, and x square y square is xy whole square, that is equal to 0, and if we take xy as t, then it will become 50 plus 5t times 8 minus 6t plus 20t square is equal to 0, and it is 50 plus 5 times 8 is 40t minus 5 times 6 is 30 t square plus 20 t square is equal to 0, and it is 50 plus 40t, and minus 30 plus 20 is minus 10 t square is equal to 0. And if we divide by 10, then we will get 5 plus 40 minus t square is equal to 0, and it is t square minus 40 minus 5 is equal to 0, and it is t square, and minus 40 is minus 5t plus t minus 5 is equal to 0, and here if we take t common, then we will get t minus 5 plus t minus 5 is equal to 0, and now we can take t minus 5 common, and we will get t plus 1 is equal to 0. So we get t is equal to 5 and t is equal to minus 1, and t is equal to xy, that is equal to 5, and here t is equal to xy, that is equal to minus 1, and we have x plus y is equal to 2, x plus y is equal to 2, and now we have product of x and y, and also we have sum of x and y. So the quadratic equation having root x and y will be m square minus sum of root, that is 2m, plus product of root, that is 5, is equal to 0. The root of this quadratic equation will be x and y, and we can get m is equal to minus b, that is 2, plus minus square root of b square, that will be 4, minus 4ac, that will be 4 into 5, 20, by 2a, and it is m is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 20 is minus 16 by 2, and it is m is equal to, if we divide by 2, then we will get 1 plus minus square root of minus 4, and it is m is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 4 is 2, and square root of minus 1 is iota. So x and y will be, x can be 1 plus 2 iota, and y can be 1 minus 2 iota, and also x and y can be, x can be 1 minus 2 iota, and y can be 1 plus 2 iota. And here the quadratic equation having root x and y will be m square minus sum of root, that is 2m, and product of root is minus 1, is equal to 0. The root of this quadratic equation will be x and y, and here also m will be equal to minus b, that is 2, plus minus square root of b square, that will be 4, and minus 4ac, that will be plus 4 by 2, and it is m is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 8 by 2, and it is m is equal to, if we divide by 2, then we will get 1 plus minus square root of 2. So here we get x and y is equal to, x can be 1 plus root 2 and y can be 1 minus root 2, and the second value x and y is, x can be 1 minus root 2 and y can be 1 plus root 2. So here we get 4 values for x and y, 2 real values and 2 non-real values. And the second method is we have given x plus y is equal to 2 and x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 82. And since x plus y is equal to 2, so we can take x is equal to 1 plus some m, and we can take y is 1 minus m. Then x power 5, it will be equal to 1 plus m power 5, and by binomial expansion this will be equal to 5c0, that is 1, plus 5c1, that is 5m, plus 5c2, that is 10 m square, plus 5c3, that is 10 m cube, plus 5c4, that is 5 m power 4, plus 5c5, that is 1 m power 5. And y power 5, it will be equal to 1 minus m power 5, and this will be equal to 1 minus 5m plus 10m square minus 10m cube plus 5m power 4 minus m power 5. And if we add these two equations, then we will get x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to, and 5m will get cancelled, 10m cube will get cancelled, and m power 5 also get cancelled, and 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 10 plus 10 is 20 m square, plus 5 plus 5 is 10 m power 4, and x power 5 plus y power 5 is 82 is equal to, and here we can take 2 common, and we will get 1 plus 10m square plus 5m power 4, and 82 by 2 is 41, that is equal to 1 plus 10m square plus 5m power 4, and it is 5m power 4 plus 10m square, and 1 minus 41 is minus 40, that is equal to 0. And if we divide by 5, then we will get m power 4 plus 2m square minus 8 is equal to 0, and it is m power 4, and 2m square is plus 4m square minus 2m square minus 8 is equal to 0, and here we can take m square common, and we will get m square plus 4, and here we can take minus 2 common, and we will get m square plus 4, that is equal to 0, and now we can take m square plus 4 common, and we will get m square minus 2, that is equal to 0, and we get m square is equal to minus 4, and m square is equal to 2, and from here we get m is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 4, or m is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of minus 1 is iota, and here we get m is equal to plus or minus square root of 2, and we have x is equal to 1 plus m, and y is equal to 1 minus m. So if m is 2 iota, then x will be equal to 1 plus 2 iota, and y will be equal to 1 minus 2 iota, and if m is minus 2 iota, then x will be equal to 1 minus 2 iota, and y will be equal to 1 plus 2 iota. and if m is root 2, then x will be equal to 1 plus root 2 and y will be equal to 1 minus root 2, and if m is minus root 2, then x will be 1 minus root 2 and y will be 1 plus root 2. So by this method also we get 4 values for x and y.